Okay, so now I'm going to be talking about volumes of revolution. And we're going to be talking about disk method. So what I've got is I've got my little outline of a vase, and then I've got an axis of revolution, and I kind of come like there. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And so then I kind of try my best as well as I can to make my little symmetrical vase. And now what I want to do is, again, I'm going to be breaking this up into a series of disks. Okay, so that disk So this disk is right there. This disk has a radius equal to f of x. And it's got a height that's approximately equal to dx. And well, if I really want, I can even get even more approximate than that. But I'm just going to leave it as dx because it's all going to work out in the calculus here in a little bit. Okay, so now the volume of this disk is going to be 1/2, I'm sorry, it's just going to be base times height. The base is going to be pi r squared. So the volume of this disk is going to be pi f of x squared times dx. So that's actually just a dv. So that's just a tiny little portion of the total volume. So if I want to find v, I take the integral of pi f of x squared dx. So in this case, I've got the integral from -1 to 0.7 of pi negative x cubed plus 1. Let's see, yeah, negative x cubed plus 1, that's what I was using to generate that vase, squared dx. Now this one I actually don't need to go to a numerical integrator to do, so I might as well just go out and do it. So let's FOIL that out. So I get x to the 6th minus 2x cubed plus 1, all of that multiplied by pi. So then I'm going to get pi times x to the 7th over 7 minus x to the 4th over, so that's going to be a 1/2. You can figure that out. You can pause me and figure that out. Plus x plus c evaluated at 0.7 and -1. So I've got pi times 0.7 to the 7th divided by 7 minus 1/2 0.7 to the 4th plus 0.7 plus c minus pi 1 to the 7th over 7. Oh, sorry, that's -1 minus 1/2 -1 to the 4th plus -1 plus c. Those c's are going to cancel. And then I just got to grab my calculator and I got to come back. Okay, back with my calculator, and so I'm going to do pi, and then I'm going to have a big set of parentheses, and I'm going to do 0.7 to the 7th divided by 7. Then I'm going to do minus 0.5 times 0.7 to the 4th plus 0.7, and then I'm going to close that set of parentheses, minus pi, open set of parentheses, -1 to the 7th divided by 7 minus 0.5 times -1 to the 4th minus 1, and close that set of parentheses. And if I have typed everything in correctly, 3.87 or 3.88. So my volume is 3.88. So now we found the volume of my base is 3.88. And so there I've done the curve length, surface area of revolution, and volume of revolution using disk method, and then I'm going to concoct something to come up with a the shell method.